again. This is the second video as I promised for Onam Special. It's a Coconut Moong Dal Curry. If you have eaten a sadya, that is a huge meal served on a plantain leaf with so many number of dishes. I think 18 is the standard, but some people go even beyond that. Some of you must have eaten this sadya somewhere or the other, I'm sure, at some or the other occasion. So one of the basic curries served in a sadya is a Coconut Moong Dal Curry. Now it may look very basic and very simple because it is served very little, because that is how we start off with a sadya. Once all the curries are served on the plantain leaf and the rice is also served, the first thing you need to eat the rice with is this Coconut Moong Dal Curry along with a little ghee or clarified butter. And after that only you get on to the other main course like sambar, rasam, etc. Let's make a very easy but so yummy curry with just few ingredients like moong dal and grated coconut.
The ingredients are yellow moong dal 3/4 cup, coconut oil 2 tablespoon, cumin seeds 3/4 teaspoon, grated coconut 1 cup, green chilies 2 big slit, garlic cloves 2 to 3 depending on the size, salt and curry leaves as required. To start with, we first fry the moong dal for about 45 seconds in a pan or a wok. Then we need to wash this dal in clean water and then get it back to the wok once again. Next, add 3 to 5 cups of water and add the green chilies as well. Cook the dal on high flame. Meanwhile, we can get the coconut mixture ready. For that, add the garlic cloves, cumin seeds, coconut as well as a little water into the mixer grinder jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Occasionally, we can stir the dal to check if it's cooked or not and add salt accordingly. Once the dal seems to mash up in between our fingers, we can add the salt and the coconut mixture into this. Mix well and let it cook until the gravy consistency is not too thick. At the same time, it should not have too much water also. And then add the coconut oil and curry leaves. Switch off the flame immediately. Mix well after that. Close the wok with a lid and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, mix well and then only start using it. And there you have the Coconut Moong Dal Curry. You can eat it not only for Onam Sadya but for your daily meals as well.
Usually kids love this kind of curry very much. It's quite similar to the taste of, I wouldn't say exactly, but something like a khichdi from North India. But yes, you have to serve it with ghee also, then it tastes heavenly, and with a little papad as well. Also, you could eat it with chapati for dinner. Another great option. I wish you a very happy Onam once again, and I'm sharing a few pics from my Onam as well. Catch up soon. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.